Hello guys, live na po tayo. Finals match po ng singles girls. Both Systems Plus. Perlita Cruz and Angelica Venezuela. Champions match. Share. Score po 4-2. Okay guys, share the live. Winners will advance to Clara. See you, Aurora. Finals match, AKA Athletic Angeles City Amateur Athletic Association. Happening right now at Quick Play Badminton Center, Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Tap and share guys, tap and share. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like, comment, follow at syempre, share. Hello sa ating mga joiners dyan. Hi. Welcome sa ating live. Bronze po si Kat, bronze. Ito na po yung finals. Angelica versus Pearl. Shot. Hi Machalare, shout out to you Machalare. Interval 11, serving 11. Hello po. Serving 11, receiving 7. Share guys, share the live. Happening right now, AKA, Angeles City Amateur Athletic Association. AKA. Hi JR, welcome sa live. Congratulations. Thank you so much for joining sa live. Tap and share. 12-7. Tap and share guys. Share. Yung gamit po na medyas ni Angelica Venezuela, kalaban ni Pearl, nandyan po yan sa ating yellow basket. Kaya check out nyo na. Check nyo yung yellow basket natin. Yes, they are. Meron tayong evening. Tap and share. Share the live, guys. Share the live. Hello sa ating mga viewers dyan. Thank you sa mga viewers natin dyan. 300 viewers. Oh my God, it's so amazing. Close to 400. Close to 400 viewers. Hello po. Welcome po sa ating live dito sa Quick Play Badminton Center, Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Happening right now is the ACAA, Angeles City Amateur Athletic Association. And the winners will advance to Clara to be held sa Aurora. Congratulations sa ating mga future badminton players of Angeles City, Pampanga. Tap and share. Yes, gold and silver will advance to Clara. Shot. Serving 19. Hello, hello. Tap and share, guys. Tap and share. Thank you so much for joining sa ating 200 plus viewers. Game point serving, receiving 15. Hello po. Tap and share, guys. Share the live. Hello po sa ating mga joiners dyan. Hello, Store Lavender. Perlita Cruz versus Angelica Venezuela. Hi, Kay. Guys, yung gamit po na medyas ni Angelica Venezuela, nandyan po yan sa ating yellow basket. Check nyo na rin po yung yellow basket ng Quick Play. Support. Thank you so much. Hi Pearly, nandito po tayo sa Angeles City, Pampanga, Magalang Road, Pandan. Quick Play Badminton Center. For joining sa ating live, Pearly, tap and share. Share the live. Shot. Thank you so much for pag-follow. Hello, thank you so much for following. Nathaniel Mercado, thank you so much. It's me, Jan. Thank you so much for following. It's me, Jan. Outside. Score 7, serving. Serving 8, receiving 2. that's a very good highlight. Sana all may court ng badminton. Joy Bergonia. Taga saan si Joy Bergonia? Wala kayong badminton court? Ayun, bumawi. Magandang highlights yun. Gawian sila ng power smash. Tap and share, guys. Share the live.
Ano na tayo ito? Final na to. Marcos Aliman dyan kay Joaquin. Whatever you do, Joaquin. Joaquin. Ali, Brianna Manta. On court number 2, match between Brianna Mendoza of East and Nakisha K. Villamayor of West.
Share, share,
For
share.
determining the score who are both bound to Clarana na po. No? So, court number 2, Brianna of East and Nakisha of West. Ang Mr. Donaldin, ay ano yung doon tayo? Sige mo po, yung mga nasa taas, magsak mo pa, kulang pa yan. Please po, no, ingat-ingat po, kung na magsakan dyan.
Hello, Siluva. Thank you for following.
Kulang
Sylvia,
na naman kami dito, sige pa.
thank you so much for following sa ating live.
Kulang pa yan.
Tap and share, guys. Tap and share. Siyempre, share, share, share. Serving 15, receiving 7. They're both bound to Clara. Oh my God, it's amazing. $8.15. Super. $16.8. Thank you so much for following us. Sylvia. Hello, Sylvia. Tap and share. Share the live. Score po is 10-15. Hello po sa mga bagong pasok po. Tayo po ay nandito sa Quick Play Badminton Center, Magalang Road, Pandan, Angeles City, Pampanga. Happening right now is the ACAA, Angeles City Amateur Athletic Association. And gold and silver will advance to Claraa. Sa singles po yun. Pero sa doubles, gold lang po ang mag-a-advance sa Claraa. Ang kalaban ni Pearl Zenzen is PCF din po. They're both PCF. So, Coach Floyd and Coach Chris Samson and CL Garcia. Nice one, nice one. Yes po, place kung sino yung gold tsaka silver. But both of them qualified na po sila sa para Zen Zen. Oh, Zen Zen, tap and share the live.
Pogi! Pogi!
Match point na po. Game is over. Tayo dito sa